Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to change the anti-aliasing setting in Ashes of Creation. Let's begin by opening the game menu. Press the escape key or the corresponding key on your keyboard or controller, or this button right here on the menu bar. From there, open the game options. Here, navigate to the System tab, the Graphics section, and under Quality and Performance, look to the Anti-Aliasing. Here you can set it from low to medium to high to epic to cinematic. Make your choice. I will leave it as medium, and then simply close the window. And that's it. Thank you for watching, and please remember to like, comment and subscribe.